Are pimples robbing your peace? Well, that will not happen anymore. We bring to you an extensive list of the best natural remedies that can help you to get rid of pimples overnight. You will also get to know a few tips and tricks, the causes of pimples, their types, and everything else that you need to know about pimples. Pimples or acne are skin lesions/inflammations that occur when the sebaceous glands, oil glands of the skin, get infected with bacteria and swell up. Pimples are also known as pustules or papules, spots, and zits. The sebaceous glands that are present throughout the skin, except in the palms and soles, secrete a waxy or oily substance called sebum. The sebum helps to maintain the oil balance of the skin and makes it look healthy. When there is any abnormality in the sebaceous gland, pimples develop. 1. Toothpaste Remedy. Toothpaste dries out the pimples and reduces their healing time. Its antibacterial properties play a vital role in eliminating the bacteria that cause pimples. This can be used for pimples on the face and also on the body, like the legs and arms. Ingredients: toothpaste, cotton swab. How to prepare. You can use the toothpaste as it is. How to apply. Using the cotton swab, apply a generous layer of toothpaste on the pimple. 2. Argan Oil. Argan oil is easily absorbed by the skin and regulates the excess sebum that is being produced. It not only heals the acne that is currently present on your face or body, but it also prevents future breakouts. Its antioxidants and vitamin E content are responsible for these properties. Ingredients: 2-3 drops of argan oil. How to prepare. Argan oil can be used by itself on the skin. How to apply. Clean the face with a gentle cleanser and pat it dry. Apply tiny dots of the argan oil at random areas of the face, and then massage the oil into the skin for a few minutes. Use upward circular motions. 3. Epsom Salt. It cleanses the skin by exfoliating the dead skin cells, and also killing the bacteria. It also balances the pH levels of the skin. Use this remedy for the adamant acne under your buttocks and on your back. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon Epsom salt, 1/2 cup water, cotton ball. How to prepare. Add the salt to the water and mix well. How to apply. Dip the cotton ball in the salt water and dab it on the affected area. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains mild acids that control the oil production of the skin and act as an astringent. It is also an antimicrobial agent that keeps the skin free of bacteria. You can easily get rid of that unsightly pimple on your nose using it. Ingredients: 1 part water, 1 part apple cider vinegar, cotton ball. How to prepare. Mix the apple cider vinegar and water well. How to apply. With the cotton ball, apply the vinegar on the affected area. Leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing with cool water. 5. Baking soda. Baking soda dries out the pimple and brings the skin's pH to an optimum level. It soothes the skin and reduces inflammation. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon baking soda, water. How to prepare. Mix enough water with the baking soda powder to make a smooth paste. How to apply. Apply this with your fingers on the pimple. 6. Vaseline. Vaseline is essentially petroleum jelly, which will keep the skin hydrated and improve its appearance by slowing fading away acne blemishes. Ingredients: Vaseline. How to prepare. Use Vaseline directly on the skin. How to apply. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline on the affected area to get rid of acne scars. 7. Garlic. Garlic has antibacterial properties that help to fight acne. You can also apply garlic paste for acne on the scalp. Ingredients: 2-3 garlic cloves, water. How to prepare. Mash the garlic cloves and add a little bit of water to form a coarse paste. How to apply. Apply it directly on the affected area. You can also have garlic to prevent pimple breakouts in the future. 8. Honey. Honey is a miraculous acne mask and removes pimples easily. Being a natural antibiotic, it kills the bacteria that cause pimples. It also has hydrating properties and keeps the skin healthy. Ingredients. Raw honey. How to prepare. Take a few drops of raw honey on your fingertips. How to apply. Apply this honey on the pimple area and let it dry. 9. Aspirin. Aspirin is an anti-inflammatory agent, and helps reduce the swelling due to accumulated pus. It also draws out moisture from the pimple and unclogs pores. This is the perfect acne mask for pimples on the forehead, cheekbones, chin, lips, and other areas on the face. You can also use this to treat acne on the neck, back, and body. Ingredients. An aspirin tablet. A few drops of water. Q-tip. How to prepare. Crush the aspirin tablet and add a few drops of water. Mix well to form a paste. How to apply. Apply the paste with a clean Q-tip or finger on the pimple. Let the paste dry. 10. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera gel can be used for acne vulgaris treatment, and also on larger areas like the entire face or the back. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, and helps to reduce redness and skin irritation. Ingredients. Aloe vera leaf. How to prepare. Cut open the aloe vera leaf and extract the gel present inside. This can be used directly on the affected area to treat pimples. How to apply. Apply a generous layer of aloe vera gel on the affected area and also around it.